إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصى
Alhamdulillah, hamdan kathira, sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. As you all know that we were carrying on our Hadith series. So, inshallah, in this series, we will talk about Ilm Mustalah. Okay, so in previous video, we learned about the Hadith. Okay, that what was the main term Hadith mean. Okay, so in this video, we will know about the types of Hadith. Okay, first of all, we will not define all the basic types, so we will carry on this topic stepwise. We will also define the type and the definition of that type. Okay, so here as I write that the two types of hadith, that one will be the marfu, the second will be the Mawquf. Okay, so first of all, leave the Mawquf. So we will go to Marfu. Okay, what is Marfu? فما انتهى إلى النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم يقال له المرفوع. Okay, a chain of hadith or a hadith which goes back to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so it will be called the marfu. Okay, for example, I narrate from some of my teacher. Okay, so I narrate from Khalil Rahman Dahir. Okay, he narrated from another scholar. He narrated from another. So here the sanad goes to Shah Waliullah, and after Shah Waliullah to an Arab alim, to Tabai, then to Taba Tabai, then to Sahabi. Then the Sahabi narrate or the Sahabi takes the hadith directly from the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we will call to this hadith that this hadith is marfu. Okay, so for example here, like I will explain the marfu. Okay, so this is one person A, Zaid. Okay, so Zaid is narrating the hadith from his teacher. Okay, from his teacher T. Okay, so after his teacher, this chain goes and stop on a Sahabi. Okay, here on a Sahabi. Okay, so after the Sahabi directly narrate from Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this hadith will be the marfu, or this chain will be called that this chain is a marfu, or this chain is complete. Okay, so this is the definition of a marfu. So let's come to the mawquf one. Okay, what's mean by mawquf? Here I will erase it. So the mawquf is وَمَا انْتَهَى إِلَى الصَّحَابِي يُقَالُ الْمَوْقُوفُ. Okay, mawquf is same like the marfu one, but here is little bit different. Okay, so as the marfu goes to the Sahabi, then after the Sahabi, the narration go back to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, this was marfu, and the mawquf one, when here break the chain, so we will call the mawquf. Okay, like for example, when in kalima or in sanad comes qala, fa'ala, okay, fa'ala fula, qarara, like qarara ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, or another example, an ibn Abbasin mawqufan. Okay, so these will be called the mawqufan. Okay, so the mawquf, the dictionary definition of marfu and mawquf, the dictionary definition of marfu is like the highest one. The highest one means it's go to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the mawquf mean that this hadith reached to the height of Sahabi, but there the sanad stop there on Sahabi. Okay, so when the sanad stop on Sahabi, in easy definition, when the sanad or the chain of hadith stop on Sahabi, it will called the mawquf. When the sanad reach to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and cross the Sahabi, so it will be called the marfu one. Okay, so I think it's very easy for you people, inshallah. If you have any another question about these two types or another topic or another definition of hadith, so you can contact us via comment. Okay, so it's enough for today. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.